posted a video proving that Beyonce tickets are actually cheaper than other artists who are touring. And the links that not white people, but black people, and not just any black people, black women, went to try and prove me wrong, because they wanted to stick to this narrative that Beyonce's just too astronomically expensive, that she's just way more out of this world than any other artist. One of the excuses somebody tried to use was, oh, well, the tour's already started and she's lowered the ticket prices to fill up the seats. But even if that were true, the artists that I compared her to in the example video that I made are also currently on tour at the moment. Then they try to say, oh, well, she was expensive. You should have seen the tickets when she first came out. First of all, I need you dumb fucks to understand dynamic pricing. And I also need you guys to understand what resale tickets are. Can you say resale with me? That's right, resale. And they said all kinds of other stupid ass shit. But what I need people to learn to accept is that, and this is for the 92%, some of us are not that bright. While we did vote for Kamala Harris and, you know, we did our part and we're a part of the vibes that are resting right now, not all of us are smart. Some of us might have physically done what we were supposed to do, but mentally we're still very much 8%ers. The lengths that black women will go to, this crabs in a barrel mentality. If you're a black woman tearing down another black woman, or repeating and regurgitating something that was fed to you that you have never actually looked into on your own, number one, you're a fucking idiot. And number two, you are no better than racist white people who put that idea into your head. Anytime you feel the need to shame or discredit or put another black woman into a negative light, I need you to pull yourself to the side. Now, I know this is going to be hard for a lot of you brickheads to do, but for those of you who are willing to do the work, I need you to really pull yourself to the side and hold yourself accountable and say, what's the point in me trying to make this black woman look good right now? Is this going to benefit me in any way? After I say this very dumb and ignorant thing, is my life going to change at all? No. So again, what's the point in me continuing to put this narrative out there? And yes, you look dumb. I do not respect, nor can I be friends with black women who say negative shit about other black women, unless that black woman is a child abuser and she's committed some horrific ass crimes. I don't want to hear anybody say anything negative about another black woman. And for those of you regurgitating the white supremacist talking point of that I only hear white people say when it comes to Beyonce, well, I don't believe there's any ethical billionaires. There's no ethical, as you post on this app owned by a fucking billionaire, you dumb fuck. I'm sorry, I'm a little mad. Is Beyonce a billionaire? Yep, but she's the least problematic, least troublesome billionaire out there, and she gives so much to charity and to help other people. As a matter of fact, her sacred products, when I was looking up scholarships for my daughter to get into beauty school, she has so many different opportunities for young people to enter into to get those scholarships. And not just beauty school scholarships. I mean, so much she is doing for the community. She's not out here causing trouble. She's not out here doing racist shit. But she's the only one that y'all want to bring up that talking point about. The next time you open your mouth to say something negative about a black woman, I hope the biggest horsefly flies into your mouth and you swallow it and you choke on it. And I hope that happens to you for the rest of your miserable existence.